Good morning, friends. Today we are going to learn about different kinds of vegetables. You know na different kinds of vegetables? You all like vegetables. So, today we are going to learn about different vegetables. P for potato. P for potato. What is this? This is a potato. P for potato. P for potato. 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 We make chips and French fries from potato. We make chips and French fries from potato. It is light brown in color. It is light brown in color. This one is tomato. This one is tomato. T for tomato. 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 This is tomato. Tomato is red in color. Tomato is red in color. And we make sauces from tomato. This is carrot. This is carrot. C for carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. This is carrot. Carrot is orange in color. Carrot is orange in color. And it keeps our eyes healthy. It keeps our eyes healthy. What is this, children? This is a ladyfinger. This is a ladyfinger. L for ladyfinger. L-A-D-Y, lady. F-I-N-G-E-R, finger. This is ladyfinger. It is green in color. It is green in color. Now what is this, children? This is a brinjal. This is a brinjal. B for brinjal. B for brinjal. It is violet in color. It is violet in color. B for brinjal. B-R-I-N-J-A-L. Brinjal. So how many vegetables we learned today? 5 vegetables. Potato, tomato, carrot, ladyfinger and brinjal.